Hey guys, Alon with the Haim Home Group, brokered by EXP. So we've had 2 crazy days of lots of snow, about 2 feet of snow here. We start working again today on this house on Ardsley Court in Teaneck. And last time we came in here, they just gutted everything. Right now, the contractor's in here, electrician. Let's go see what progress has been made since. Okay. All the framing in the house has been done. Plumbing, all new plumbing. Everything was replaced, the old plumbing. Floors are being repaired. Hey Armando, say hi to the people. Master bathroom over there. Main bath. Let's take a look down in the basement. We got Corey, our electrician, here working. So we got the whole basement framed out. We got the sump pumps running. New furnace. Great progress.